Again. Papa.
Oh yeah.
Shut up.
Oh yeah.
Ah. Ow! It bit me.
Not supposed to chew it. Are you?
You're not?
I don't know.
I'm scared to swallow, but it's still going.
Man. So. That was a punk ass move.
Please stop. A punk ass move.
That was a punk ass move.
Your mom was funny as hell. Mommy killed that letter. Such a G.
Ew, I just saw it fall. Like fall off your tongue.
Penguins are coming in March from Madagascar.
Okay, that's March. We still got how many months? Like 4. No, like 3.
2.
Nuh-uh.
February, March.
Oh. I thought March was after April.
What grade you in?
Shut up. I wasn't thinking, okay? Alright. You're stupid, duck.
What?
Quack.
Say it.
It.
Tell me you love me.
You love me.
Almost had you too.
Almost.
Should have got your face in that one.
No.
No, I thought it was One Piece.
I want Melissa out of here tonight. She said a lot of things about Brett that I cool.
What are you gonna do? Only 10 o'clock. Boring.
I don't know. I want to do something too, but I don't know.
Oh, no! Ah.
Well, I must say this, for the last couple days, we have definitely been rocking and rolling on this.
Show the Pop Rocks. Show the Pop Rocks.
Right here, he's zooming in.
A lot of drama.
Wrong side. Turn it around. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Strawberry.
Strawberry? What? Oh, that's not the only one either. No. We still got a whole pack.
Ow!
Some people, want to talk about stuff about
You alright?
your boyfriend. And say that you have fake hair, and it doesn't affect you.
Well, first of all, I spent some quality money on the finest hair extensions you've had to offer. So I like it. So if you call me out on it, I'm fine, baby. I'm fine, alright?
You really have fake hair?
Yes, but that's
I
what
guess.
we're here to do.
No, I've got something I want to say. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling it at all.
I mean, I think we both knew that. I assumed you have a boyfriend right from the beginning. I think you're a player.
Yeah, I'm not the only one.
I didn't feel it either. So your tour is here. Get the
Fuck out.
Damn.
I've had a busted boob and a farm is so worth it.
I can handle anything. I mean, someone's unattracted to me. That's life, man. That's the way it goes. That's
Wait, do it again. Come on. Come on.
Mm-mm.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
as long as I got rid of other people. That's all I can say. Now let's move on. All right.
Son of a beach ball.
First pass.
How am I supposed to stop this thing? What time?
How long is it?
I don't know. It says 4-20 dash dash. Or them little quotation things. Yeah.
4 minutes.
4 minutes? So you want me to stop it? Because it's been 4:34.
We'll make another video. Stop it.
So you want me to stop it?
Yes!
Oh, I thought you were telling me to stop. Okay. Alright, are you gonna say bye?
Bye!